Let's start by going to the Edit menu, selecting Preferences, and then navigating to the Add-ons tab to search for Extra Objects and select the Add Mesh Extra Objects option to add the add-in in Blender. Press Shift-A, and in Extras menu select Simple Teapot Plus. Now in the pop-up menu, select Teaspoon. You can increase the resolution here. Let's increase the resolution up to 6. Now, let's fix some topology. Press Tab to go into Edit mode. Select the Edge mode. Press Shift-Alt to select Edge Loop. Select the Auto Merge Vertices. Press SX0 to align faces along X-axis. Press X and select Dissolve Edges. Press X and select Dissolve Edges again. Press Shift-Alt to select Edge Loop. Press SX0 to align faces along X-axis. Press Numpad key to view selected. Press X and select Dissolve Edges. Let's add a subdivision modifier. Right-click and select Shade Smooth.